Let us introduce you to Rocky AI, the coaching app for life skills powered by award-winning artificial intelligence. We recommend that you watch it to the end so you and Rocky can establish a really effective coach and pupil dynamic. Coaching, the approach Rocky uses is different to therapy and learning. Rocky is a virtual coaching system powered by artificial intelligence, developed alongside some of the world's top coaches. The topic you've chosen, anger management, is curated for Rocky AI by Mike Fisher, author of Beating Anger. Mike's helped thousands of people confront their anger management issues, and with Rocky's aid, we hope he can put you on the path to lasting improvement too. Remember, the more Rocky learns about you, the more useful the advice becomes. Use the app every day for a few minutes, over a couple of weeks, and reflect upon the questions Rocky asks you. In a short while, you'll enjoy a more meaningful and productive relationship with your coach. Rocky needs just 5 minutes to reflect each day and will personalize your path to improvement. Rocky's job is to identify areas that you might benefit from considering further and help that thought process along so you establish new patterns of behavior. Rocky, as instructed by Mike Fisher, will introduce the skills you personally require and encourage you to practice them. There is never a right or wrong answer to any of Rocky's questions. What's important is that you articulate your thoughts. Rocky will also provide reading tips specific to the needs you've provided and support you on your journey with follow-up actions that get you progressing forwards. The best thing for you to do is get started straight away. Congratulate yourself on taking the first steps towards change.